Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn with JC. I'm Anna.
Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone. I'm Leo.
How are you today, Leo?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great. I'm happy for today's lesson.
Yes, me too. Today's topic is very useful. Tell me about yourself.
Okay, let's start. Leo, tell me about yourself.
Sure, my name is Leo, L-E-O. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Leo. My name is Anna.
Where are you from, Anna?
I am from Vietnam. And you?
I am from Australia.
Wow, that's far. Do you live in a big city?
No, I live in a small town. It's quiet. I like it.
Cool. I live in a big city. It's busy and noisy, but also fun.
Anna, how old are you?
I'm 23 years old. And you?
I'm 26.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English.
Nice job. I'm a student. I study business.
Do you like studying business?
Yes, I like it. It's interesting. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister. Her name is Mia. She is 20 years old.
Nice. I have one brother. His name is Nam. He is 25.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Mimi. She is black and white.
Cute. I have a dog. His name is Coco. He is brown and very friendly.
A cat and a dog. Different, but both lovely.
Okay, let's talk about favorite things. What is your favorite food, Anna?
My favorite food is noodles. I love noodles.
Me too. But my number one favorite food, a pizza.
Pizza is delicious. What kind of pizza do you like?
Cheese pizza. Simple but very tasty.
I like spicy noodles.
What about your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is milk tea.
Oh, nice. I like coffee.
Now, favorite color.
My favorite color is blue, like the sky.
Mine is pink, like flowers.
What about your favorite animal?
Easy question. Cat, of course.
Haha, and mine is dog.
Let's talk about hobbies. What do you do for fun?
I like playing soccer with my friends. I also like listening to music.
Cool. What music do you like?
I like rock music. And you?
I like pop music. I also like reading books.
What kind of books?
Adventure stories. They are exciting.
Nice. I like to watch movies in my free time.
What kind of movies do you like, Leo?
Comedy movies. I love to laugh.
Me too. I also like animated movies.
Animated movies are fun, very colorful. Okay, now let's say things we don't like.
Good idea. I don't like spicy food. Too hot for me.
Ha ha ha, I don't like olives. The taste is strange.
What about activities you don't like?
I don't like waiting in long lines.
Same. And I don't like waking up very early.
Ha ha ha, me too. I love to sleep.
So, you see, tell me about yourself can include your name, your country, your age, your job or school, your family, your hobbies, your likes and dislikes.
Yes, and you don't need to say everything, just choose some.
For example, you can say, "Hi, I'm Anna. I'm from Vietnam. I like cats and milk tea."
Or, hi, I'm Leo. I'm from Australia. I like dogs and pizza.
That's easy, right?
Very easy, simple sentences. Don't be shy.
And remember, smile when you speak.
Yes, a smile is always good.
Now it's your turn, listeners. Write in the comments.
Yes, write one or two sentences about yourself. For example, my name is Peter and I like swimming.
We want to read and learn about you. Now let's check if you understand the conversation. I will ask you some questions. Listen carefully. Question 1. What is the girl's name? Question 2. Where's Leo from? Question 3. What pet does Anna have? Question 4. What food does Leo like most? Question 5. What hobby does Anna enjoy in her free time? Write your answers in the comments. We want to see your answers.
Thank you for watching today's episode.
Please subscribe, like, and share.
We will see you next time.